why not invest further in making the garden even better than what it has been? It's quite a challenging garden that we've got because it slopes. So they were very good at understanding how the pond should integrate with the rest of the garden and how the pond would enhance the garden. It's a big hole, 600 tons of clay and soil were removed, and so you can easily have a pond but then destroy a large part of the rest of the garden. And they were very particular about that, and within 1.5 years you wouldn't know that they've been here. Working with the designers with Michael Wheat, they're not just swim pond builders. They do consider about how the whole garden is enhanced, and that has been an absolute delight, is realizing that they were able to not just give us a swim pond but just a wonderful addition to our garden. Swimming was marvellous. During the summer it gets up to a really nice temperature of 24, 25 without any heating, so everybody thoroughly enjoys it. The size of the pond allows for lengths to be swum, and the depth is just perfect. If we're not swimming in the evening, we just have a little walk around. There's always something to look at. There's always something to enjoy. We also have supper by the swim pond as well in the evening. So it's a real delight, and it's just wonderful to be able to share it with one's friends and family. What I said to Michael Wheat is that I want to invest in low maintenance, and they are very clever people with a wonderful integrated system which has 5 or 6 different methods of keeping the water crystal clear. It's natural in terms of the water, it's natural in terms of the aesthetics, it integrates better within a garden, and so swimming itself as an exercise is great, but to swim in healthy fresh water is so much better than chlorinated swimming pools. One of the big bonuses is not just the swimming, not just the aesthetics, but it's the wildlife. My wife calls it the dragon pond. We get dozens of different coloured dragonflies. My neighbour has 6 or 7 beehives, and we have hundreds of bees coming over the hedge and just drinking at the water's edge. Isn't that just amazing? That's not part of the script from Michael Wheat. So the whole thing from start to finish has been a wonderful experience. It's so worth the investment. It is a big investment. You do need to have somebody that you can trust and have confidence in to build the right sort of pond, and to be able to ensure that every year you have a wonderful experience with it. And Michael Wheat has been the company that we've been delighted with, and on a number of occasions we've actually recommended them.